Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, you need an AI tool for thumbnail creation. Popular options include Canva AI, Gemini, and Adobe Firefly. These tools can generate designs, images, and even text automatically. Once you choose your desired tool, open it. Now type a simple prompt describing your thumbnail. For example, bright YouTube thumbnail with bold text, surprised face, and gaming background. The better your prompt, the better your result. Click on Generate and the AI will create after a few seconds. Once your thumbnail is ready, you can edit your thumbnail. Increase brightness and contrast. Use arrows or circles to highlight key points. Make sure your face or subject is clear and visible. Once your design is ready, download it in high resolution. For YouTube, use 1280 by 720 pixels for best results. And that's it. Now, you know how to use AI to create amazing thumbnails for your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.